Well, I knew when I got this old Kevlar for 500 bucks that the gunnels were in rough shape, but I figured I'd get a couple of years out of them. I don't really have a choice but to store it outside, and it looks like I blew a gunnel in the course of the winter, probably just water getting in and then expanding when it freezes. So that one little section is relatively short. What's that, about 5 or 6 inches or something? So I'm gonna have to see if there's something I can do myself. The inside gunnels are still in great shape, so if I can get a replacement outside gunnel, I think they call that an outle, an in whale and an out whale for the inside. You see it's 2 strips of wood, inside gunnel and the outside gunnel. So this is a good canoe, and even with this repair it's well worth the 500 bucks that I paid for it. Got it from an old couple who were upgrading to an ultralight. Anyway, that's another project for the summer.